Tired of all those fake methods and blocked access to Veo3? There's now a 100% legal way to generate unlimited Veo3 AI videos for free, straight from your browser using Google's latest AI tool, Opal. No credit cards, no student IDs, no Google Flow account, just free results. Your time is valuable, so let's jump right in. First, open up Google and type Google Opal. Click the link that says opal.withgoogle.com. This is Google's experimental new tool for building your own AI apps. No coding required. It's simple, powerful, and works right inside your browser. Here you can already see some pre-built app options, but the goal of this video is to create a brand new app. Click Create. You'll see a blank canvas. This is where we'll build our personal Veo3 video generator. And don't worry, you won't have to write any code. To make things super easy, I've written a custom one-click prompt that builds the entire Veo3 app for us. We'll just paste it into the app builder. And if you want my custom one-click prompt, watch until the end. I will also share with you a bonus formula to help you generate prompts faster. Next, click Submit. Give it some time. Boom! Your custom Veo3 Studio is ready. All the nodes and components are created automatically. No coding, no setup. Now let's test it out. You can do image to video and text to video. In the video prompt box, just hit the plus sign to upload your image. Let's try the text to video feature. Hit next, then type in any idea you want Veo3 to bring to life. For example, a golden retriever puppy running through a puddle in slow motion, raindrops falling, soft barking in the background, cinematic lens flare. Click Submit. Wait a couple of minutes, and just like that, Veo3 will generate a fully animated 8-second video with motion, lighting, and even sound effects. The video is ready. Let's check it out. This is awesome. Now, let's try a few more creative ideas to show you what's possible. Cyberpunk action. A futuristic samurai running through neon-lit Tokyo alleys in the rain. Sword slicing sounds. Glowing lights. Boom! Drama short. An old man lighting a candle in a dark cabin while thunder rumbles outside. Comedy skit. A parrot giving a motivational speech on stage with spotlight and crowd cheering. Boom!
Squawk! Believe in your dreams, never give up. Squawk! You have the power to soar.
How about some nature? Waves crashing on a rocky coast at sunset. Soft piano music playing in the background. Boom! Whatever you need, just type or paste into the prompt box. The more detail you add, sounds, lighting, motion, the better Veo3 understands what to create. Once you're satisfied with any of your videos, click the 3 dots on the video and choose Download. Save it to your device and use it anywhere. Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or TikTok. It's your content now. Want to try a new idea or image? Just click the Reset button to clear everything and refresh. Here's the bonus formula that will help you generate prompts faster. If you want an even faster way to come up with great prompts, use this formula. SUB plus setting plus action plus lighting and sound. Example using formula. A ballerina dancing in Times Square at night, surrounded by glowing billboards and classical music. And just like that, you created a stunning video. And finally, now here is the entire one-click studio prompt I used to create my free Veo3 Video Generator Studio. You can copy it if you like. It will also be in the description of this video. Here is the prompt. Develop a custom image animation tool called Photo to Motion Studio. Design the interface in a simple, vertical, step-by-step layout that walks the user through the process. Step 1. Upload your starting image. At the top of the app, include a large image upload section with the label Upload your starting image, JPEG, or PNG format. Make sure it's clearly visible and user-friendly. Make sure it allows uploads from the device. Step 2. Add animation details. Right underneath the upload area, place a large text input field titled Describe the Animation. Use helpful placeholder text that gives examples, such as explain how you want the image to move. For example, make the waterfall flow and add soft mist, or zoom in on the person's face slowly and have them blink. Step 3. Animate the image. Below the description box, place a bold call to action button labeled Animate Image. When pressed, this button should trigger the following sequence. Take the uploaded image and the animation description. Send both to the Veo3 model to generate a motion video. Final output. Once the Veo3 model finishes generating the video, show the resulting video inside a video player right below the button. Under the video player, add a clear button labeled Download Video so users can save their animated result. That's it for this video. Your own one-click Veo3 video generator, completely free, powered by Google Opal. If this helped you, hit the like button and let me know in the comments what you created.